welcome back. We are practicing Business Central Developer questions, practice questions, and you are in the practice question series. We have already discussed four questions, and today we are going to discuss about the fifth question. The speciality of this series is what, like, I will be explaining the question in detail, answer why that answer and why not the other answers. So let us go to the question number question number 5. You need to allow debugging in an extension to view the source code. In which file should you specify the value of the allow debugging property? This is a straightforward question. They're just asking this question. So here they're asking you, like, if you wanted to configure the debugging, so how you will do. Okay, so this question revolves around enabling debugging for an extension, specifically which file you should use, okay, with the allow debugging property. So let us see the options one by one. The first one is settings.json. This file is more relevant to users or workspace settings in code editors. So like we are using Visual Studio Code, but this is not directly related to the debugging capabilities of Business Central extension. So this is like a general settings. So yes, this is not the right answer. So the second one is rad.json. So there is no rad.json file associated with Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. So this is, of course, a wrong answer. Next one is app.json. The file is crucial when developing extensions for Dynamics 365 Business Central. This file contains the configuration and setup of the extension, including ID, publisher version, and other essential information. So, in the context of Business Central, the app.json file indeed plays a central role in defining properties that control the behavior of an extension, including development and debugging settings. However, it's worth noting that the specific property as a direct configuration does not exist in the standard app.json schema for the Business Central extension. Instead, debugging capabilities are typically managed through the development environment setup and permissions. The question assumes a property, allow debugging, that isn't directly used in Business Central development documentation but simplifies the idea of enabling debugging for an extension. So you can use allow debugging in the app.json file. So that is what this is the answer for the question app.json. And why not it is launch.json? Because in the context of Visual Studio Code, which is commonly used for developing Business Central extension, launch.json configures debug sessions, which include specifying the environment, the tenant, to connect the other debug session parameters. While it closely relates to the debugging, launch.json itself does not enable or disable debugging functionality, but rather configures how debugging sessions are launched and operated. So, in summary, like Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central, while the concept enabling the debugging is essential, but the possibilities only rely on the app.json. So app.json is the correct answer. I hope you understand this particular question, how to answer. These are all the direct question. Moving forward, we will discuss some case study based questions, some complex questions, so that we can easily understand how to approach that questions in a better way. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye. I'll meet you soon with the next question in the next week. That is from Monday to Friday. I have planned for the question series. Saturday, Sunday, I'll be uploading the video that is a consolidated video from 1 to 5. Thank you. Take care and bye bye.